In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find cheap gas with GasBuddy. First, let's open the GasBuddy app. This app is designed to help you locate the best gas prices in your area. Once you tap the app icon, you'll be greeted with a clean interface. If you are using an iPhone or an Android device, the layout will be similar. This familiarity makes navigation easy for everyone. The opening screen is your gateway to saving money on fuel, so take a moment to appreciate how this app can simplify your gas buying experience. Next, tap Find Gas on the main screen. This button is typically prominently displayed, making it easy to locate. By tapping it, you're signaling to the app that you are ready to search for gas prices. This action will lead you to a list of nearby gas stations, which is exactly what you need. The app will begin searching for the best options available to you right away. Remember, this is where your journey to finding cheap gas officially begins. Now, you will need to allow location access or search by city or zip or postal code. Granting location access allows the app to find gas stations close to you. This is important because it ensures that the information you receive is relevant to your current location. If you prefer not to share your location, you can manually enter your city or zip code. This flexibility makes GasBuddy a useful tool for everyone, whether you're at home or traveling. Once that is done, you can browse nearby gas stations and compare prices. On your screen, you'll see a list of stations, each displaying their current prices. This feature is crucial as it empowers you to make informed decisions about where to buy gas. The visual representation of prices makes it easy to spot which stations offer the best deals. Take your time to review the options available, as this could lead to significant savings. From there, you can sort or filter the results by price, distance, brand, fuel type, amenities, or payment method to find the best option. These filters are incredibly helpful because they allow you to tailor your search according to your preferences. For instance, if you prefer a specific fuel type or brand, you can quickly narrow down your options. This customization ensures that you find a gas station that meets your needs while also saving you money. Next up, tap a station for directions or more details. By selecting a specific station, you can access a range of information, including the exact address and any amenities available at that location. This could include whether there's a convenience store or if they offer car washes. Getting this extra detail helps you plan your stop effectively, ensuring that you make the most of your visit. At this point, if you're taking a trip, consider using Search Along Route in the GasBuddy app. This feature is exceptionally useful for long drives, as it helps you find the cheapest gas stations along your route. You can map out your journey while ensuring you don't overspend on fuel. This little step saves you a lot of time later, making your road trip more enjoyable and budget-friendly. Lastly, keep an eye out for flash deals to save even more at participating stations. Flash deals are special discounts offered by certain gas stations. These deals can provide significant savings, so it's worth checking them out whenever you use the app. This feature adds an exciting element to your gas finding experience, making every trip to the pump a little more rewarding. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to finding cheap gas with GasBuddy. Happy driving!